In this episode of the Business Review, banana farmers are pleading with the government for more water. The farmers claim that it is hard for them to produce enough to supply the newly built banana chips factory in St. Mary. TVJ's Andrew Ladley has this report.
We want this chips thing to go worldwide. We want it going to export because we can't do it.
Miss Rose Hardy is a banana farmer in St. Mary. She has about 20 acres of land planted with the crop. She's hoping to increase her output to supply this factory with more bananas. But first,
we need some help with like the climate change, with the harvesting of water.
And she isn't the only one crying for help.
I would really like the government to come in to support us, to help us to perhaps put in mini dams to offset the effect of the drought, so that we could sustain ourselves as banana farmers.
We will have to improve our production to facilitate the operation of the factory. So what we would need now is like mini dams, set up some irrigation systems so that we can push more. And seeing as we are having more periodical drought, we would like to have some form of system set up where who have water can utilize the water that they have so that we can boost the production so we can keep the factory in operation.
General Manager at the All-Island Banana Growers Association, Donald Elvey, is urging the government to revisit the catastrophe fund. He says although banana farmers pay an annual fee, drought challenges aren't covered by the fund.
The Banana Board has claimed that drought is not a part of the fund, the coverage of the fund. In the draft document, it was a part of it, but the final documentation, it was subsequently changed.
That's why he says the Banana Growers Association will be ramping up its lobbying efforts.
One I think that the AIBJ will be championing is to address that anomaly whereby drought and other climate issues affecting farmers are not included in the catastrophe fund.
In the meantime, the banana farmers argue that with the help of the factory, local farming can soar to new heights.
But all the factories in St. Mary have been closed long ago, and now a light is shining. Can you think about it? We're going to have our eating our own banana chips. Small farmers banana chips.
Andrew Ladley, TVJ News.